So in this video I'm just going to show you how to overcome a faulty key fob on a Tesla Model S, or if your battery in the key fob has gone flat, because in my case this is my spare key and I'm just about to take the car to the body shop and it's going to be there for many months, so I thought, well, I'll make sure the spare key works, give them the spare key, and then obviously I've got a working key, so I'm just trying to make sure that both keys work. And this key wasn't, so I put a new battery in and still no joy. So even though this battery has got a life of best before January 2030, I tested it with a multimeter here and this is only 1.7 volts. So I got another new battery, tested that before I put it in the key this time, and the new battery there was 3 volts or so, so that was all good. I put it into the key and I was still getting no joy with the key. However, I've come back to test this battery again and it's only been 20 minutes or so. It's a bit difficult to do this one-handed. Let me just put the camera down. Right, this battery is now at 2.76 volts, so it's lost some power in only 20 minutes of being in this key fob. So I just have a sneaky suspicion this key fob is faulty. But anyway, the point of this video is I'm going to show you how you can still get in your car and unlock your car when you've got a dead battery. And that's the sort of scenario that's going to happen if you're out and about and your battery's gone dead. You're obviously not going to have any spare or new coin cell batteries with you, but you can still start and drive the car with a dead battery in the key fob. So let's go out to the car. So here's my Model S. It's a 2014 Model S, and obviously with the black nose cone, and as you can see this one's damaged, missing the nose cone as well, and that's why it's now just going over to the body shop. So that's why I'm playing around with the spare key. So as you can see, I've got no battery in the key fob, so this should be completely dead. But if I push the handle, it is still talking to the key. What I've also seen online, which is why I'm doing this video, apparently when you've got a dead key fob, you can put it about here on the front wing and hold it there for 20 seconds or so and try your door locks, and that will also get you into the car. Somewhere about here next to your front indicator is the magic place. So anyway, let's get in and I'll show you how you start it. So the dash all came on when I got in and now it's all gone dead. So if I push the brake, I am not getting anything. So the car has gone completely dead. But apparently you can put the key there and look at that, the key's now being detected and it's not flashing up key not found. It does have other errors because I don't actually have the handbrake caliper fitted on the car at the moment, but there we go, I've got it into drive and I can move. So that's where you've got to put the key on an older Model S. Just put it below the 12 volt socket, the power socket there, and all of this has been done without a battery in the key fob. I do, however, under safety, have passive entry enabled. I'm not sure whether that's key to getting in, as I just did, without a battery in the key fob. Anyway, if you know, you can let me know in the comments below. But as I've shown you, even without a battery, I've got in the car and I've started the car. So that was the point of the video, really, just to share those little tips, because that isn't obvious, and obviously if you've got no battery or a dead battery, you would assume you're stranded and your key fob isn't going to help you at all. But on an older Model S like this, and obviously on the newer Model S's as well, you clearly can. Okay, hope that helps. If it has, as always, please do click the thumbs up and I'll see you on the next video.